How to fix Roblox gift card currency must match your account country problem. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, this problem has been facing a lot of people lately, where a person buys a gift card and when he wants to claim it, it shows him a problem that the currency of the gift card must match the account country. And this is due to the fact that the Roblox account currency is directly related to the account country. So if you are in a, say for example, the USA, your account currency will be the USD, aka the dollar. Or if you are in Europe, for example, your account currency will be euros. That's why people who have different currencies are having different problems to claim the gift cards, that most of them are in dollar, the USD. So and this is why does this happen? It's because due to the latest Roblox updates, they have removed the option and the feature to change the currency and the location or country from the app. So as of right now, there is no way to change the account currency or location. So how can you fix that? Like say for example you are a person who have bought some gift cards and now you want to claim them, but you have this problem. Does this mean that you have lost your money and you can't claim them? That's not true at all. There's actually one solution that I've seen it work across different social media. So I've seen it in TikTok videos, in Reddit communities, in Discord, in a lot of places, and it kind of um, goes like this. So just follow these steps. We will not be using the Roblox app. Instead, we will be using a web browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then search for Roblox support. Once you are here, navigate to this page. And essentially, what we will do right here is we will contact the uh, Roblox support team and asking them and explaining to them our problem and asking them for a solution. Uh, Let me just go and enter a random birth date here. Make sure to use your real birth date. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. Now, as I said, we will be asking them to uh, we will be telling them what happened, and they should get back to this to solve this problem, and that's what people have been doing to fix that. So as you can see on this page right here, it says contact us, and it has two sections. The first section is the contact information, where you will be optionally entering your username and first name. I recommend that you do so, and you will also be entering and confirming your email address. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's talk about the second section, which is the issue details. Now, as you can see right here, the first drop down, it says what device are you having the problem on. So go ahead and choose your device. For me, it's an Android phone. The second drop down, it says the type of help category. Now, as you can see here, it has a lot of uh, options that you can choose from. So there are actually uh, some options that you can choose that will all do the same thing. So what I recommend you to do is to select something like technical support, or how to, something like general. So let's click on it, and as soon as you do that, you will see that there's another drop that has just appeared. Go ahead and choose any one of these options. It does not really matter. Now the last step, and probably the most important step, is to this description box right here, which is a description field where you will be telling and reaching out to the Roblox team and asking them for a solution. So for example, to each person his own different problem, and make sure that it's among these lines. Say for example that I have bought some gift cards, but they are in this currency, and mention the currency of your gift card and tell them that I live in this specific country which has a different currency than the gift card, but now I'm not able to claim the gift card due to this your gift card currency must match your account country problem. And you can even make sure to explain it well. Just keep it among these lines and explain it well, and maybe enter your I don't know, your gift card number, stuff like that. And after a while, it might take, I don't know, it's different for everyone, to be honest. It might even take some few business days. They should get back to you and solve your problem, which is uh I've seen it works across all of the platforms. And to be honest with you, it's the only thing that I've seen people talking about and saying it works. Like there's no other solution, unfortunately, other than this one as of right now. So you might just well just try it, and once you're done, just click on submit to send your request. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix the gift card currency must match your account country problem on Roblox. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if there are any new solutions that I found, I will make a update video. Till then, take care. See you in the next video.